So what is an infostealer? As the name implies, an infostealer is a type of malware designed to harvest sensitive data from a compromised system. The stolen data is sent to an attacker-controlled server and often sold on the black market to other threat actors, who may use the information to commit fraud or gain unauthorized access to various resources and assets. My thanks go to Sean Conrad for his excellent article on this topic, which prompted this video. You'll find the article at the link listed. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and get involved. Think about all the information stored on your computer, your passwords, your credit card details, your browser history. Now imagine someone or something trawling through that information and extracting the most valuable data. Infostealers can extract a wide range of data from an infected machine, including credentials used for online banking, email accounts, social media sites, FTP services, credit card details, emails, hardware information, operating system information, cryptocurrency wallets, screenshots. They even home in on specific file types like images, documents, spreadsheets, just to name a few. Infostealers usually operate as a malware as a service, which is a business model in which the developers of malicious software lease their malware to others for a fee. This arrangement allows almost anyone to deploy an infostealer, regardless of their technical aptitude. Infostealers can vary in functionality and use different methods to extract data. Some focus exclusively on harvesting data, while others provide remote functionality that allows threat actors to drop and execute additional malware on the compromised system. You might be wondering why threat actors use infostealers. Infostealers attacks are typically financially motivated. The stolen data is analyzed and any valuable information is collected and organized into a database, which can then be sold on the dark web or through private Telegram channels. Buyers may use the information to commit various types of fraud, such as applying for bank loans or credit cards, purchasing items online, or making fraudulent health insurance claims. Buyers may also use compromised login credentials to gain entry to corporate accounts and remote services. Once access has been obtained, threat actors can easily use a hacked account's privileges as a starting point to initiate further malicious activity. Infostealers are also commonly deployed in ransomware campaigns. It has become increasingly common for ransomware operators to spend significant amounts of time in the target environment before deploying the final ransomware payload. During this time, they may use a variety of techniques to gain a firmer foothold, which often includes the deployment of infostealers. Harvesting credentials may enable threat actors to move laterally and escalate permissions, while stealing machine-specific data, such as IP addresses, country, ISP operating systems, browser information, and so on. You can help them tailor the attack to the environment to inflict maximum damage. You might be wondering, how do you get infected with an infostealer? Threat actors may use a variety of attack vectors to distribute infostealers. Some of the most common infection methods include the following: spam. Threat actors commonly delivered infostealers via email, often under the guise of a legitimate organization. Compromised system. Infostealers are often deployed remotely after threat actors have gained access to the target system. Malvertising. Websites compromised by exploit kits are commonly used to serve malicious advertisements. Pirated software. It's not uncommon for hacking groups to bundle malware in pirated software downloads. Here are a few tips to protect your system from Infostealers. Think twice before clicking. Don't open unsolicited email attachments. Install updates. Apply updates for your browser, operating system, and other applications as soon as they're available. Use multi-factor authentication. Even if a threat actor manages to steal your login credentials, they may not be able to provide the secondary piece of authentication required to access the compromised account. Avoid pirated software. It's not uncommon for pirated software to come laden with various forms of malware. Some of the most popular Infostealer families include Redline Stealer, targets the Windows operating system and is typically distributed on underground Russian malware forums. Raccoon Stealer is an Infostealer that extracts data relating to crypto wallets, browser cookies, passwords, browser autofill information, and credit cards. Vidar Stealer can steal a range of sensitive data, including banking information, login credentials, IP addresses, browser history, and crypto wallets. As you can see, Infostealers can harvest a broad range of sensitive information which threat actors can sell or use to execute additional attacks. They are typically distributed through spam, malvertising, compromised accounts, and pirated software. Being careful with your clicks, keeping your software and operating systems up to date, and enabling multi-factor authentication can help reduce the risk of infections and limit the impact of an attack. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.